We're gonna make $1 billion bacon beef and noodles. We're starting with 2 pounds of stew meat we put on the bottom of our crock pot. Once we have that in there, we're gonna put 1 pack of Boursin spreadable garlic and fine herb cheese. Once you have that in there, I cooked up 1 pound of bacon that I cooked and crumbled. And once you got your bacon in there, we're gonna put 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. You know we gotta have it, y'all. And once you got your cream of mushroom soup in there, for a little extra flavor, we're going to put some Worcestershire sauce. Do about a tablespoon worth. Once you got your Worcestershire sauce, we're going to go in with our seasonings. We're going to do 1 pack of brown gravy mix, some garlic powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons worth. You already got a little garlic going on with the Boursin. And some black pepper. Let's say about a teaspoon or so worth. Once you got your black pepper in there, we're going to put 1 cup of beef broth over all of that, as well as 1 block of cream cheese right on top. Once you have all that in there, let's go ahead and give it a little stir real quick. And once you've stirred those ingredients around a little bit, go ahead and put your lid on. We're going to cook this on high for 4 to 5 hours, or you can do low for 7 to 8 hours. All right, y'all, after 4 to 5 hours, go ahead and take your lid off. And that is smelling fantastic. Oh man, the mixture of the Boursin and the garlic and the bacon in there with the beef. Oh my gosh. So once you stir that around a little bit, we're going to throw 1/2 cup of sour cream, just to give it a little extra creaminess, tanginess, and flavor in there. Go ahead and mix that in a little bit. And once you've mixed that sour cream in just a little bit, go ahead and throw in 12 ounces of cooked egg noodles. Get that folded in a bit. And once you got those noodles mixed in, finally we're going to put 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese in there. Mix that around till it's nice and melted into the noodles. Alright, and once that cheese is nice and melted, this baby is ready to try. Let's dig in, folks. Now that's creamy. Look at that. Oh my goodness.